Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video, it's just going to be a little quick one. I'm going to show you a little trick. Someone taught me it, so I thought I'll pass it forward. So what the job we were doing on this, it is a Skoda Superb 2020 reg. And what we were doing on it was we were just cleaning the injectors. What had happened is there was a slight leakage coming from the seals. So the seats were fine, sorry, the seals were leaking. What we have to do is just replace them all. What it is, effectively, is just a small copper wire. But when you are going to do it, you want to clean the chambers out properly. So when you're going to do this on any car, we've got an A7 coming in tomorrow, which is a similar fault, and they're quite common. So the Q7s, they leak down the side of the banks on either side. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a nice little cleaning kit like this. So as you can see, we've got 3 brushes there. You've got the long extension, which is a hard one, and we put it onto this. You don't really need to use these other adapters. What you do is you slap that into this, put it on the back of a cordless. Now I've closed it all back up because I was testing it. I don't want to open it back up just for one video. What you would do, so imagine your chamber's going straight down. So you've got this little circle here. Imagine this is your chamber straight down. When you pull your injector out, it's full of gunk and stuff, as well as diesel. Now when you do it, you want to let the car sit for a bit before you start the injectors, just because the fuel lines will have a lot of pressure in them and you don't want the diesel to go everywhere. Once you've got your injector out, using your puller, you then want to go ahead and start cleaning inside of there. Sometimes you may have to redo the seats. That's a completely different tool. If you do get stuck on that, just put it in the comments and I will make a video on how to redo the seats. Might actually have to do them on this A7 that's coming in, so if we do, I'll give you a shout and make a video. But let's say you've got the injector out, now you want to clean the seats. What you'll do is just start off with the smallest brush on the extension and put it onto a drill. Now we've got a DeWalt, which we put onto the lowest settings, and just go straight down, in and out a few times, and we then go up to the next stage, in the big stage. Now you want something to try and suck all the dirt out of there. You can either buy a professional vacuum cleaner, a professional, like a sucking tool, or you can do a makeshift one. So what I tend to do is just do a quick little makeshift one, and that's what really this video is about. And what all it is, it's just a normal vacuum cleaner or a hoover, and it's got a little pipe on the end of it. So what I do is we use this one for when we're actually cleaning cars, like carpets and stuff. So I taped it up there because this has got a little bit of a crack in it. You won't need to. Yours will sit perfect. What I then do is put the pipe into the entrance of the hoover, put tape around it so there's no actual air leaks. It might look like there is, but there actually isn't any air leaks. And the other end of the pipe, as you can see there, is just like that. So what we then do is turn the hoover on, and like I said, that's our imaginary hole. So we'll put it straight down there, and what it'll do, up and down a few times, and it'll just suck all the crap out. Go again with the DeWalt in again, and it'll clean it back out. You shut it back in again, and it's literally as easy as that to clean your injector holes. And this is a tool that I recommend making. It's only pipe, we had it lying around, tape, everyone's got a bit of tape, so it doesn't actually cost you anything to do that. But anyway guys, if this has helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.